I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. In today's video, guys, I'm going to do another episode of my Fall in Love with Fall series. I couldn't wait to share this one with you because it's with my favourite thing of all, leopard print. I hope you enjoy. In my first DIY, what I'm going to do here is print out a template from Google, just of a pumpkin. I printed this out in an A4 size. Then I took my favourite leopard print fabric that I recently picked up from Spotlight. Now, I always like to iron first, guys, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the template of the pumpkin and then trace it onto the fabric.
Another time, another place, I just know. Could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go.
I'm then going to flip the fabric over and then trace out two of the pumpkins. I'm then going to cut them out.
I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a face, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go.
Now, when you have two cute little pumpkins, I shopped my own home here, guys, and found this beautiful blush pink cushion. I knew it would be perfect for my DIY. Now, I'm going to take some spray adhesive and I'm going to take the cushion outside and I'm going to glue on the pumpkins, but overlapping.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Now, once the pumpkins were secure in place, I took some Chanel ribbon, guys, and here I'm showing you that I'm just going to tie a bow and place them in each corner, but I actually changed my mind, which you'll see along the way.
I don't want to meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do.
Now, I have these beautiful glam brooches, guys, that I use in my DIYs all the time. I picked these up from Spotlight. Now, I'm going to hot glue one to each middle of the pumpkin. Now, I ended up hot gluing those Chanel ribbons around the stem of each pumpkin, and I absolutely love how they came.
But baby, I don't want to lead you on.
additional piece of this leopard print fabric, guys, for my second DIY. What I'm going to do is just flip it over. Now, I've got some cushion insert foam that I'm going to use to create a pumpkin. And I'm going to start first of all by taking a toilet roll. Now, you've seen me create these DIY toilet roll pumpkins before, guys, and they're so simple, and I couldn't wait to make a DIY leopard print one. So basically, it's just placing that toilet roll in the center of the fabric, using the stuffing from the cushion right around the outside, which is going to give a really lovely fullness, and then you're going to start tucking everything inside the toilet paper roll.
You can do, make a move.
Now, I then printed out from Google a template of some fall leaves and I cut it out. And what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to trace it onto this really pretty blush pink foam that I picked up from my dollar store. Two of these, guys, and then cut them out, and I absolutely love how they came.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love.
Now, guys, I wanted to create a stem for my pumpkin, so I took these 3 craft pipe cleaners, and what we're going to do is we're going to bend them over. You're then going to twist them from the top to the bottom. Glam factor to our pretty pumpkin, I'm going to take this beautiful gold glitter ribbon, and it's actually wired, guys, so what we're going to do is just twist it around from the top and work our way down the stem.
I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that.
Once it's secured and in place, we're then going to bend it from the top and place it in the center of the pumpkin.
Took me by surprise. Oh, yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be.
I then hot glued those pretty leaves in place, as well as adding a Chanel ribbon.
Yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me.
I then moved on to my third and final DIY. I took that template once again, guys, of the pumpkin and traced it out again on another piece of fabric. I then cut it out. I then took this pretty dollar store picture frame, guys, and what I'm going to do is take that blush pink foam and I'm going to cut it to size so it will fit inside the frame. I'm then going to hot glue the pumpkin to the front of the foam. Now, on camera, I used that spray adhesive to put the pumpkin on the front. I then took a Chanel logo and hot glued that to the center of the pumpkin, as well as adding a black Chanel ribbon. I then placed it back inside the frame, and I absolutely adore how this came.
Think about me because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reasons. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops.
Guys, I absolutely love all things leopard print. I have leopard print decor. I even have leopard print clothing. I love it so much, and I love sharing simple and inexpensive ways you can decorate with it too.
You never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright. But I knew it would not be easy, spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves decorating. I love sharing my passion with you guys, from DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and room tours. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops.
Leave me a comment down below, guys, if you love decorating with leopard print also.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed another episode of my Fall in Love with Fall series.
I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you.
Don't forget,
Not
guys,
even
to
if
give
I
me a
tried,
big thumbs
'cause
up.
every
It
day
really
I'm
helps this channel.
trying
Share the
over
video as
time.
many times as you can. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button to become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine,
Until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.